What's up, guys? Okay, all right, it's dark. Terrible lighting. So I'm going to Target right now to get some things that I need for dinner because I'm gonna do a cook with me. Because I've been doing a lot of cleaning. So I'm making chicken teriyaki tonight. Okay, so since I didn't cook dinner last night, we had In-N-Out and it was so good. But my husband is gonna be home like at 5 and it's like 3:30 now. So we're gonna head to the Targies and get all I have like the essentials. I don't want to wear these sunglasses. There we go. I have the essentials. I just need like the fancy stuff like sesame seeds, and I don't have broccoli and green onions.
So it's finally looking like fall here now, but it doesn't feel like it. It's like 80 degrees. Yesterday it was like 89 degrees, but it looked like this. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like gloomy, but it's really hot. Or it's not really hot, it's dramatic. It's kind of hot and it's like sticky. So it's not enjoyable yet, but we are getting there, California. We are getting there.
I just realized it's not very smart to record my driving. Or at least, like, me is fine, but the other cars, no, because I don't know if I have to, like, block out their license plates, or I don't know what the rules are on that.
But I got some good stuff.